Hey everyone, today is Thursday. It's the 26th, it's the day after Christmas, so I have a lot of cleaning up to do, but I also want to have some fun with some art. I need to set up my bullet journal for the new year, and I have some other ideas in mind with some polymer clay. It's around 12 o'clock, I did my usual morning activities. I had breakfast, I folded some clothes, all of that good stuff. So now it's time to start cleaning up, and I'm going to start with my room. I have to do my room and my art room, and my room has multiple parts, so I think I'm just going to start by sorting through all my clothes from yesterday that I got from Christmas, and I have to go through them all, fold them, cut off the tags, put them in the wash, try everything on, make sure it fits. So this is going to take a little while. This is what my dresser looks like right now, and this is my bed. Oh my god. There's so much to clean up, and I also have a ton of other clothes in there that I just hid away for Christmas, but I have to go through and place in there. So, gosh, this is going to take a while. Okay, so what you saw me doing was taking all the boxes and breaking them down. So now I'm going to bring those down there cycling and put some stuff away like this, which I found on my house that I got. I'm going to bring this downstairs where the has to go. I'm going to bring my clothes down and now I just have to take all these clothes and I'm going to take all the tags off if they fit, obviously, and then I can either put them in the wash or it's around 2 o'clock now, so a little before, and I had lunch. I finished cleaning off my bed for the most part. There's cardboard left. So what I'm going to do now is make the bed, but I'm going to change up the comforter cover, take this off, put on this new blanket, and add the new pillows. So yeah, I'm going to show a quick time lapse of this, and then we can go to the art room, and I'm going to clean that up for a while, and then I'll be doing some bullet journaling, so be ready for that. So my bed is done. I decided to keep the comforter cover on just for now. I know everything doesn't really match at all, but these are flannel sheets, so they're not just white. But yeah, I know this is kind of crazy right now, but I'm going to do a room makeover soon, so keep an eye out for that. I'm going to post everything on YouTube. But basically, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go downstairs and clear off my art room table so that I can put this clear mat on, and then I asked for this for Christmas, and I got it yesterday, and I was really happy because now when I'm filming videos I can put the paper underneath it, and the paper will be protected, and yeah, and it won't stick to the surface. So this is really great, and I'm really happy. So I'm just going to do a couple more things, and then we'll head down, I'll head down to my art room to get cleaning down there and then crafting. everyone, so now it's around 4 o'clock. I cleaned up, I went outside again, I was playing around. I had lunch too, you saw my breakfast, was that photo? Oh, that was so good. It's pretty healthy too, and now I'm just, you know, planning away. So what I did first was, I made a list of all the spreads I'm going to do, and then I'm just sketching them out, and then I'm going to film a video. So you're going to see that video, but I will show you a time lapse of me sketching everything out. So yeah, I'm really excited because I just got this paper, this graphic paper, and like they have a bunch of cool sheets like this, and it's going to make things so much easier. My first theme is going to be using this, and it's going to be the Northern Lights theme sort of. So I know this doesn't really look like the Northern Lights, it's kind of more abstract, but I think it's pretty, and you look this side is shiny, and that's because this is peachy one color, so it like rubs off on your fingers. So I tried to put some glue on it, it's actually kind of good, still flexible, and it's shiny, and it won't rub off or anything, it'll protect it. So I'm so excited we're going to use that on this map, because you can see it makes it a lot darker, but I think I kind of like that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Here's the bottle. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how I cleaned up everything. So I'm really happy with what I've done today. And I'm going to a party later, so you're not missing dinner or anything. So I'm just gonna show you a time for this, and then maybe I'll do a sneak peek right now of the 2020 setup. So yeah, no more of that. You'll see that in my video, which will be posted a few days after this one, I believe. So I think it's going to come out on Monday. Hopefully it'll be out on Saturday. So if it's Saturday for you, be ready in 2 days. If it's Sunday, one day. If it's Monday, it may or may not be already out. So yeah, okay. Now I have to enjoy this last time up for the day. Hey everyone, so I got back from the party and I finished up my planning as well and filming. So that video will come out probably in 2 days from when you see this video. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you want to see more things and vlogs like this, make sure to let me know down below in the comments if you have any suggestions or any questions or anything like that. Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And for more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. Especially if you want to see my new bullet journal video. And I'm curious to know, do you bullet journal? Let me know down below in the comments. I hope you guys have a really great day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Reduce the friction. Reduce the friction. Reduce the friction.